Alright, I'm going to be doing a little interview with this Airsoft sniper rifle that I have. It's an L96, and it's really accurate and powerful. I got it on Airsoft Megastore for it was pretty expensive, like $260 I think, but it is worth its price. And it's bolt action, and yeah, the scope came separately, but it's a really good. So, I'm going to show you how it shoots. So,
is it a variable zoom?
Yeah, it's a variable zoom in. 3 is the lowest, and then 9 is the highest. And if you want to have a clear vision, you might want to go on 3, even though it's the least closer up. So, and then it also has this really good screen protector.
Cap to protect it, yeah.
So, it's a little bit difficult to cock the actual rifle, but you get used to it.
Do it again?
Here.
Oh, no.
And then I'll be aiming for that tree over there.
Where?
So,
Is that a hit?
yeah, I hit the bottom of the tree. That was a miss.
I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, it's alright. Well, okay. Let's see if you can look through the scope. That might be a little bit hard.
Wow, that's actually really good.
Yep, and then
you can see that.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
So it's a really nice gun. I think you should probably buy it.
Say our names.
Yeah, it's Austin and Ricky also.
Cod Reach FM.
Cod Reach FM, and also Flying Drumstick 1. So please comment and subscribe.